This box right here is merch from a company called Bird Dog, who has made an investment of like 5 figures worth of gear for me to revamp my studio here, specifically NDI AV gear, for me to turn my studio into a unified broadcast setup. A mistake was made, not putting blame on anyone, but a mistake was made, and this first merch package ended up getting sent to my apartment address, and the post office just refused to cooperate with changing the address. So they were generous enough to just send me another one because they assumed I wouldn't get it, and they are awesome for doing so. I got a call back in the spring from my apartment complex, and I was like, oh shoot, they found something wrong with the apartment they're gonna try to blame on us. And it was just that I had a package delivered to the apartment and they wanted me to pick it up. And I was like, oh, that was nice of the tenant for letting them know. And it ended up being like a vinyl pre-order of some vinyl I pre-ordered forever ago and just forgot to update the address on. I know for a fact, at least 3 other packages made it to that apartment that they didn't tell me about and that I have no way of getting. And this is after, while I was living at the apartment, I had a package get delivered to the previous apartment I lived at, which was 3 doors down, and they lied to my face about getting it. But then I got a notification whenever the EVGA XR1 was being delivered to me that it got delivered to the apartment. They did not tell the office about it, and I went and asked them, and they handed me this box that they had up in their closet where they had completely destroyed the box and just torn it out and supposedly thought it was for them, and then just were like, oh, what the heck is this? I don't know what to do with it. And then I get the notice about this package, and it was delivered to the office, and it's like half opened, and as far as I'm concerned, they probably stole half the stuff out of it. So I'm glad and super grateful to the Bird Dog people for sending around too, because who knows if they stole anything from it. But we're gonna see what's inside. Moral of the story, make 1,000,000% certain on everything possible that you update your address whenever people are sending stuff to you. Now, I did update Bird Dog, and there was just some miscommunication with whoever they told to ship it, and it's not their fault at all, like 100%. But let's see what they sent. Merch. Feathers, fur, and glue, everything you need. Welcome to the Bird Dog family. They're so nice. I guess hashtag ad, even though like I literally just disclosed that they invested gear into our studio here, but you're gonna be hearing a lot more about Bird Dog from me. Oh, dude, this is sick. All right, so we got a sweater. Has a little Bird Dog logo, and then Bird Dog on the sleeve. That's actually pretty dope. This feels like really high quality and thick. We might swap to this from my Discord hoodie in a moment. We got a t-shirt. We got a hat. Everyone sends me hats. I don't wear hats, so I just have them collected on my ceiling as art, which is fine to add Bird Dog to the companies. That's on me for not wearing hats. And every time I've worn a hat in a video, I get cussed out by a commenter saying I'm a degenerate for wearing hats indoors, or I look like a douche, which, to be fair, most people who wear hats like that look like douches, so that's fine. Oh, we got more stickers! You can always, oh, those kind of look like cable tie stickers. That's funny. You can always win me over with stickers and then microfiber cloth. Very nice. Yeah, Bird Dog is the freaking best. They have been super, like, cooperative with letting me review stuff in the past, which has been awesome. And then, like I said, they are hooking us the hell up with this studio upgrade. And we're gonna be covering it from a few different angles, but let's just say when you see it, your mind is going to be blown, because I honestly still cannot believe they agreed to let us do what we are doing here in the studio, and it's gonna be insane. All right, so we got the t-shirt. Is that a PTZ cam you just used from them? Yes, it is their P4K PTZ camera. All right, that shirt is dope as well. I know it's upside down to you all. There you go. This, I don't know how to describe it. AS Color Block is the brand of the company. The shirt just has this material that feels super great. I don't see any material. Oh, it is 100% cotton, so nothing like unique. It just feels weirdly good, like thick. But that also means I have to be careful drying it so it doesn't shrink, so that's a consideration. I basically avoid buying cotton shirts for the most part because they always end up shrinking on me. Is Bird Dog the one that sells the conference room type gear without the corporate price tag? They exclusively do NDI broadcast stuff, so probably not. If you're talking about audio stuff, that would be Clock Audio. All right, so this is package number 2 from Bird Dog after they realized I was probably not getting that package. They were so incredibly kind enough. Like, they really, like, it wasn't like, hey, can I please have some merch? Like, they wanted me to have this merch. That is some thick ass box. So I think it's the same thing though. So we're not gonna tear it open yet. We got the t-shirt and the hoodie and the hat. So sick. I got duplicates. I will double check with them to make sure they don't want it back, but I'm fairly confident they don't. So this is a package from the one and only Corsair. I did not get the Elgato package this year. Like, I don't want to sound entitled because I'm not actually an Elgato partner, because that would be a conflict of interest for reviewing for them, and I'm not entitled to anything they put out. But they have previously sent me the holiday packages that they send to Elgato partners, and that included a freaking Elgato like LED neon light, which is like perfect for the main tech studio on YouTube filled with neon lights. And I did not get it this year. That was a bummer, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm not entitled to it at all, and we still have this incredible looking package from Corsair. What in the world? This looks awesome. Oh, that is very cute. Happy holiday and a prosperous 2020 from Corsair, Elgato, Origin PC, and Scuff. I don't know if you can read that. That is a laundry list of company names that they are putting under their belt here. Okay, we have the world's biggest water bottle here. Hot damn. Oh, it's an actual Yeti. My dad loves these. Like, it's an actual Yeti branded. Damn. You're not getting this on lttstore.com. Not, the LTT store stuff is still great, by all means, but this thing is big chonkers. Well, thank you to Corsair. That was freaking awesome.